breaking down, breakdown. Mastering phrasal verbs in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to continue our exploration of common phrasal verbs, focusing on the verb break, in conjunction with the preposition down. This combination forms the phrasal verb break down. Let's dive into its uses, examples and nuances to help you fully understand and use it effectively in your English conversations. When we use the phrasal verb break down, it can carry several different meanings depending on the context. Here are some of the most common ones. 1. To stop functioning. When a machine or vehicle breaks down, it means it stops working. 2. To decompose. This refers to a substance breaking into its smaller components. 3. To lose control of feelings. When someone breaks down, it often means they're overwhelmed by emotion and start crying. 4. To divide into parts. We can break down a large task into smaller, manageable parts. In each of these contexts, break down takes on a different, but somewhat related meaning. Let's see how we can use break down in sentences. 1. To stop functioning. My car broke down on the way to work, so I had to call for a tow truck. 2. To decompose. The compost will break down over time into nutrient-rich soil. 3. To lose control of feelings. After hearing the sad news, he broke down and cried. 4. To divide into parts. To tackle this project, we need to break it down into several stages. Now it's your turn. Try to make your own sentences using break down. You can think about a time when your car broke down, or when you had to break down a task into smaller parts. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these phrases in your daily conversations, the more natural they will feel. And that's a wrap on our discussion on the phrasal verb break down. Remember, understanding phrasal verbs and their various meanings can greatly enhance your English skills. With break down, you've added another versatile phrase to your vocabulary. Keep practicing, keep breaking down your language barriers, and I'll see you in the next lesson.